kecap.
Yes. Nice. And for me, this is Balinese food, Indonesian Balinese food. For me, as usual,
Burger.
Yo, what's up
Yo,
today?
Oh my god, I'm so sorry that I feel like I'm not wearing makeup today.
It's
I
okay.
just wake up from the nap.
Wake up from the nap. It's actually 5:45 p.m.
Yes.
and we are going to Ubud.
And then we will check in late today
To the hotel.
to the hotel actually, and then I just make a late bookings. Well, we will see
We'll see what is it.
because the hotel I think just opening last month.
Yes, it's open last month, and now they have like a special promo, current price,
Yeah.
just $25 US, which is
Around
350.
350k per night. Oh
Which-
my god, this
which
is very
cheap for the hotel. Hotel looks very nice. It's brand new anyway,
It's
only
very
1
brand
month.
new hotel actually.
So okay, we're gonna check in, and then we're gonna have a dinner and show you guys how it looks Ubud
Yes.
at night.
Yeah.
Now we're doing series, everything at night, because it's so hot in Bali nowadays.
Yeah, so now the weather in Bali is like unpredictable. I mean, like somehow it is very hot, like 30 to 33 degrees Celsius in the afternoon.
Yes,
And
super
then
hot.
it's super hot, so we cannot do vlog in the afternoon because you know
At daytime, yeah, it's just literally so hot. As you saw on the monkey forest, I was like after the shower and walking on the street. So yeah, we will see how is the Ubud at night. It was seminyak at night, was Kuta Sanur at night. Now will be Ubud, and first of all, we'll be checking into the new hotel. We will see what you can have for $25 right now.
Ooh.
Price sounds very good. $25 for the new
This
hotel.
is the promo price actually.
Promo price, of course, promo price right now. Later will be probably more expensive, but we will see. Anyway.
Alright, so we just arrived in the hotel actually. This is brand new hotel and then it's just opened last month. Wow.
Still fresh.
I can smell the fresh of the brand new hotel though.
Oh, we will see how is there
Yeah.
inside. Little bit
Yeah.
late check-in, however, always good to try something new, right?
Yes, it's always good to try something new and last minute.
Very last minute. Actually.
Last minute must be something.
Honestly, 1 hour ago I didn't even know I was gonna stay today in the hotel. So
Yeah, like last hour ago we are just, chilling at home because it's, super hot. And then we were planning to watch sunset and still hot. So yeah.
just check in into the room, and we're gonna go to the Ubud, see how is the situation in Ubud at night. We're gonna show you hotel tomorrow morning. So
Yeah, because it's a little bit late and then we need to have a
Little
dinner.
bit.
I haven't got dinner yet.
yes, it's
So-
actually late. We wanna show you anyway. Hotel is very nice, worth to try to show you. So tomorrow will be more about hotel. Now let's go to Ubud. See you there.
My body never known.
are in Pisan Cafe in Ubud.
And we're gonna have a dinner, right?
Yeah, we will have a dinner, and as you see, almost full house inside and outside. Oh my god, this is Ubud style. Love it. So I have a hot tea.
Oh, that's a very beautiful pot. Beautiful. Oh, nice.
Look at this one. This is our duck, fried duck. My favorite duck. Whenever I'm in Ubud, I have to eat this one. So yum. With nasi, and then with this salad, with the sambal. My mouth already watering. I have to eat. Smacznego. Alright, so we already had our dinner, and then I'm craving for something sweet for the dessert, and we decided to go to the cafe and bakery to have some sweet.
So as you saw, the part where is this lovely cafe shop with the cakes, the street over there is quite busy.
Yeah, and then we were actually planning to have a sit there and then have a coffee, but the lady said, Ibu, it is the table is already full. So we decided to take home the yummy cake.
As you saw, beautiful eclair, tiramisu and donut.
Maybe I will eat later on in the hotel actually.
Yes, and now we are heading into Jalan Monkey Forest actually right now. We're gonna make a few snaps and we're gonna stop where is the Ubud Center Market, right?
Yeah.
Alright, see you there. location just next to the Ubud Center art market over there, and here is the
Ubud Palace.
Ubud Palace. Situation is here how it is. Some restaurants are open, and if they are open, they are slightly busy, I have to say. It's quite different than last few weeks, months ago. But
So now it's weekend actually.
And it's
much
weekend, yeah.
busier. Yeah, if we compare with different days, it's much busier. Yeah, so I think that's all our video today.
yes, that's it for today's video. That's how it looks Ubud at night. You was with us in the new hotel. Well, I will show you hotel tomorrow morning. That's how it looks the Ubud at night. It's about 8 o'clock right now.
Around 8 actually.
Around 8.
So-
The entrance to the palace is here. Oh, actually, that's nice over here. All right, not much longer today, I think. So that will be enough.
Yeah, now for today, thank you guys for watching us and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. Take care.